How many countries are there in the Asia? Answer is 48 countries. When was radium discovered? In 1898. What color is Venus? Yellowish-white. Who won the first Olympics? Answer: James Connolly. When was the fountain pen was invented? May 25, 1827. Who is the FIFA president in 2019? Answer is Gianni Infantino. What is the world's oldest airline? KLM, Koninklijke Luchtvaart Maatschappij Airline. When was the first aeroplane invented? Answer is December 17, 1903. What was the last comet seen from Earth? Hale-Bopp comet. Which bone is strongest in human body? Femur, in the hip bone, is the strongest bone in the body. Next question. What is the color of sun? Answer is white. Where was the first cotton mill established in the world? Birmingham, England. Who invented photography? Answer: Nicephore Niepce. What is the biggest galaxy in the universe? IC 1101. What is the total weight of all the organisms in a particular habitat called? Biomass. The Internet is a system of interconnected networks. How far can an owl rotate its head? Answer is 270 degrees. Which is the best vitamin for hair growth? B vitamins, also called biotin. How many times does the Earth rotates around the Sun in a year? 365 1/4 times. What helps a host on the Internet to find another host? IP address. Next. Do dogs have 2 arms, or 4 legs? Dogs have 4 legs. What is the largest known animal on Earth? The blue whale. Who invented the piano? Bartolomeo Cristofori. Which country is the largest producer of milk in the world? India. What is Mongolia's currency? Mongolian Togrog, or Mongolian Tugrik. A website address is an unique name that identifies dash on the web. Line. Which is the biggest airline in the world as of 2019? American Airlines Group. Who won the most Formula One World Championship? Michael Schumacher. Which non-metal is liquid at room temperature? Bromine. Who invented periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Next question. In which year did Andre Agassi retire? Answer is 2006. Who suggested that the Sun was at the center of the solar system? Nicolaus Copernicus. Where was John F. Kennedy assassinated? Dallas, Texas. Who holds the record of consuming 26,000 McDonald's Big Mac? Donald A. Gorsk. Who holds the Guinness World Record for having the longest tongue? Nick Steberl, with a 3.98 inches tongue. Who invented JavaScript? Brendan Eich. From which part of body does a cat sweat? The paw pads. What is a bird's keel? It is an extension of the sternum, breastbone. Where is the esophagus located in the body? In the chest. How many oceans do we have? Answer is 5. Next question. When is the National Science Day? Answer is February 28. Mole poblano is famous in which country? Mexico. How many stars are there in the Milky Way? Milky Way has 200 billion stars. Which country is the highest producer of salt? Pakistan. What is the full form of PVC? Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. From where do we get natural gas? Under the surface Earth. The 100 Years' War was fought between which countries? Between France and England. Who holds the world record for the tallest man? Sultan Qasim. What programming language is used to write a web page? Hypertext markup language. Which is the world's largest turtle species? The leatherback sea turtle. Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.